안녕 친구들. First it became viral in Vietnam, then many Koreans start making it now. Let me introduce rice paper duck. It's just too easy to make. Bring 3 sheets of rice paper and wet them with plain water. And just roll them to make duck. Here are some tips after my experience. I tested these 2 kinds of rice paper. The smaller one was thicker and it was a bit hard to mold into a pretty shape. So you better buy thin rice paper. And please wet the surface you're making them on. If the surface is dry, rice paper tend to stick to it. And my last tip, try some of your favorite add-ons. I tried a fish cake, hot dog, and cheese. But some of them were not a good idea. I'll share the details later. When you're done making rice paper duck, you can cut them any size you want. Shall we make tteokbokki with them now? Yay! This is quick home-style tteokbokki recipe. 2 cups of water. I'll add dashima and dried anchovy. This is quick version of Korean soup stock. You can use any stock you want. Boil for 10 minutes. Remove dashima and dried anchovies. Gochujang 1 big regular spoonful, sugar 2 tablespoons, soy sauce 1 tablespoon. I don't know what portion you wanna make, just remember my ratio. Gochujang 3, sugar 2, soy sauce 1. 1 big regular spoonful of gochujang is equivalent to 3 tablespoons of it. Then add some vegetable of your choice. Taste the soup and when it's ready, add rice paper duck. Boil for only 1 minute. This rice paper duck gets wobbly easily, so better not to boil it too long. I have another recipe for tteokbokki, street-style tteokbokki magic powder. Check it out, the link will be provided at the end of this video. Wow, it's ready to taste! Oh my, it's so yummy and chewy! Here's my review after cooking it. It was a great experience making it. It was so delicious and very chewy. And for the add-on, cheese was an excellent choice. But fish cake and hot dogs I prefer without wrapping. This can be a great idea for those who cannot buy duck so easy. Because I know I can keep rice paper almost forever. Thank you for watching and visit my channel for more Korean recipes. God bless you all. Bye. 안녕.